Alright, so we're removing our headers because we are going to use stock manifolds with the exhaust I bought from LMC Truck as a test to see if we like it. And if we don't, then we'll deal with redoing the header bolts and redoing the headers and see if we like that better. But that's what we're doing today. Connor is over cleaning up the old exhaust manifolds, getting them somewhat clean. He's just ripping it out. This is a test to see whether or not we like it better than the headers, which have a real problem getting to the ridiculous spark plugs. So that's what we're doing. We're going to see what it looks like. This one turned out all right. Nice and clean anyway. I think I need a 1/2 inch and a 3/8. I got the 3/8. I think I need a 1/2 inch for that one bolt over here that holds on our ground cable. Nope, that's gonna be 9/16. Yep. Oh, it's moving. Oh, that sucks. So we'll do the old-fashioned way here. Take a hammer and the wrench and give it a little pop to bust that thing loose. That is still sticking there. I'm thinking we're gonna have to. I hate it when bolts and nuts stick together like that, because that's entirely too small. Now maybe I can get another 1/2 inch in there. Let me see. So what I did is I took a pair of vice grips, did that. Connor held that. I put this 9/16 wrench on it and smacked it with a hammer, which broke it loose.
Oh, it was in there tight.
Well, it's spinning the stud, because we had tightened it up a few times.
Oh.
See, that's our ground clamp.
You drop it up.
And this is our ground clamp now. Then we got all these little 3/8 bolts here. And yeah, I bought them. Bought the kit for the headers, and
probably gonna need to take out the plug wires to get it out.
oh yeah, that's the thing.
Or unless we just drop it the rest of the way down beneath.
No, because they're in the way, because they go right through the center of that.
I mean, it'll make it a shit ton easier to operate or fix them damn plugs on.
Right. But we did get it running nice. We tested it. We don't have any water leak, by the way.
Oh yeah, none.
Water leak is gone.
Oh, I think we should just do different new stock exhaust.
Yeah, that's what I bought.
Well, no, not the pipe. I'm saying like the header manifold.
You want to buy them?
Well, I'm looking at these ones and they are nasty.
Yeah, of course they are. 3/8 all the way in the back here. I think I already got that loose. Yeah, somewhat.
All these fun little bolts on these things.
All right.
loose?
They're all loose, they're just not off. And I figured out the deal with these glasses. Right now they're set on 3 minutes.
I figured there was a setting.
I just don't know how to change them yet.
It's got to be in the meta app somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Okay, so I want to be real careful. Oh, we got this, we got the dipstick. Is that dipstick screwed into somewhere? Like right down there?
I can't see. Yeah, I can't even.
Yeah, it is. Hang on. Hold that right there. I need to take those plugs out.
Right.
Because without that, we're going to be fighting it. Kind of hold it right there.
Like this?
Yeah. Get this one out. Yeah, those don't look fouled at all.
Hey, they're doing good now.
I should have taken that dipstick out prior to doing this, but I forgot. Okay, come down a little. Right there is fine. We got limited time today.
Oh, yeah.
Because we started late. And then push it forward a little bit.
Yeah, you're on it.
Yeah, I know. I just need to get a leverage point. That ain't it. I think that's going to be a 1/2 inch down here. Yep. One of the other fun things is getting these little clips off. Oh, that thing came right off. I thought it was going to be harder than that.
Well,
It's like Connor's timer is going off.
yep.
So we'll have to get this finished tomorrow. Well, actually, Wednesday.
Yeah, because you're going to be able to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, because I got to go to the orifice. So, we're ready to get the other side off. We're going to leave all this stuff just right here.
Yeah.
Like it is.
Because we'll be right back to it.
But I ordered the exhaust, dual exhaust from LMC Truck. It was 390 shipped. So, and it goes all the way from the stock manifold. So if we don't like the stock manifolds, we could put the headers back on and then weld the header pipes, because it came with the cones for that.
Yep.
And then we can, if we don't like it, but that's a one-way trip, because once you cut them off, I guess we could save them, but that'd have to be a really exact cut.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's what we're going to do, is get the stock exhaust so we can get it nice and quiet. So that's where we are with this, and we'll catch you all on the flip side later.